Okay, we're back. We're actually here in a vault, I guess level 3 below the impact crater of the glow, looking for an artifact for the Brotherhood, which actually we found, but I think Lilly wanted to look around a little bit more because it's supposed to be a haven of technology. Haven't really found much, but in order to get the power back on, I think we need to repair a generator, we think on level 6, which we just found the elevator for. But level 5 is mysteriously missing from the buttons. So we're just simply making our way down. Plus there was a door, I think, on the first level that we weren't able to open. And we've been seeing these robots. Luckily lifeless. But we're assuming probably not. There probably won't be the case when we get the power back on. So I think we have to be careful about how we do that. But also Lilly was hoping maybe she might be able to discover a way to get one of these robots to essentially work for her, I guess. Alright, here's some lock. Here's another elevator. Maybe that's for level 5. It seems to need more power than emergency power can handle. Okay. So we're gonna have to look at that also when we get the power back on. Look at all this stuff. Dean's Electronics and anti-rad meds. A study book on the field of electronics. A note on the cover says that it's for the budding young electrician and everyone. Okay. Lilly learns a lot about repairing broken electronics. I guess she did. Okay. Pulse grenade. 5mm. Oops. Oh, EMP grenades. Okay. That's not a good sign then. It's probably foreshadowing something with these sentry robots. Man, that's not good. Explosive rockets. They look awfully heavy. I think we'll be leaving those. Look at that. Looks like a supercomputer. Alright. Certainly look at that. Suspension tanks. Some sort of medical or experimental apparatus. It looks as if it could contain a human or larger sized body. That's creepy. Here's like a medical table. It's definitely some kind of medical experiments going on. And still, what's strange is no rats, mole rats, anything. Completely lifeless. Except these computers. It just looks like... Alright. Just some odd equipment. They almost look like industrial shower stalls. For example, you might find like in a decontamination chamber. Another medical table. And here's remains of a guard. Alright, blue pass key. She had to guess that's probably for the other elevator. We have yellow for 1 through 3, red for 4 and 6, and we're assuming that other elevator's for level 5. But it said it needed more power to run properly. Here's some lockers. Yeah, the computer looks like it's running, so I think before fooling with it, yeah, a large computer, I think we're gonna make sure we look around first. Guess we gotta run. Yeah, more of these life support units. But it's creepy that they're smashed as if something's escaped. Look at that, Big Book of Science. And another copy of Dean's Electronics. I think I already have a multi-tool. Although I think her science skill is high enough, this won't help her at all. Oops. Yeah, she learns nothing new. She learns a lot about repairing broken electronics. Again. I didn't know you could read it twice. Okay. Here's a crowbar. Maybe that'll work on the welded door upstairs. Oh, we're gonna give it to Ian, though. Should probably do another Geiger counter check. I think for now, I should give all these grenades to Ian. I think it was 40 something last time? 52. It's gotten a little worse, I think. But not bad. I guess it means that we shouldn't hang around longer than we need to. Alright. I guess these are, looks like data banks. Yeah, very modern looking computer. Alright. Oh boy. Something tells me if this computer malfunctions, lots of things go wrong. Alright. Hopefully nothing will go wrong here. How may I be of assistance? And actually I remember reading about this in the manual that the more modern computers, and I think they call them think machines, actually operate with voice recognition. So she probably is actually speaking with this computer. So I guess asking for identification. I'm a machine intelligence dedicated to research and installation control. I'm called Zox or Zax. All right, asking about that research for biological studies, including pathology and genetic research. All right, asking for some details. Into the forced evolution virus, or FEV for short. A shifting absorptive virus. Copied DNA patterns much like RNA. Re-injected into the host cells. And I'm clueless with biology, so I have no idea if this is technobabble or there's any ounce of validity to it. All right, but I think she is concerned about FEV. Sounds like if she can even catch it, maybe we've been walking around in some biological zone, hot zone. That's no good. Asking how we catch it. FEV is not caught per se. It's not transmitted through the air. Infection is through injection or direct physical contact with an FEV sample. I don't think he mentioned this, but asking why it's not affected by radiation. It's a megavirus. That sounds dangerous. It is therefore capable of absorbing neutrons without becoming radioactive.